It's almost 6 and I just woke up, and I think this is the most earlier that I've got up in a lockdown, and I'm very very sleepy. So I think I'll wake up at 7. Let's see.
I seem a little too excited because I'm shooting a vlog for the first time.
So hi, good morning. It's almost 7. I mean more than 7. It's 7:10 actually. After hitting my snooze button for like 10 times, I finally managed to wake up. And as I told you earlier, I'm a morning person, so if I have to study, it's only in the morning. And in my place, it is raining heavily, and I cannot do anything even if I wake up early, and I don't wake up. And this is the earliest that I have woken up in this lockdown. And I have my off-tal internals tomorrow, so I have to put in 3 to 4 hours of studies for that. I'm just gonna fresh up and start my day. Let's see.
And then I freshened up and I went to terrace with my cup of coffee. I usually like to drink my coffee in the terrace when it's not raining. Drinking coffee amidst this greenery just elevates my mood in the morning, and I don't stay a lot grumpier. And then I came back to my regular work. I just make a list of the to-do things for the day. I categorize them into most important and less important and try to finish at least the most important things. And when I finish a work and just cut it, it just gives me immense pleasure. I think this is a great way of getting the things done for anyone. And I had my typical breakfast of roti and jackfruit seed chutney in the morning. And then I went out into my garden. I usually take a walk in the morning and I see all the new blooms in the garden. So after I finished walking in the garden, I just went to read because I had internals. I had already read the first 4 chapters in off-tal, so I had to give it a quick revision. And off-tal is a really easy subject. There's nothing very difficult. So if you give 1 or 2 reading, you'll pretty much remember everything. And A.K. Khurana is an amazing book. They have given appropriate images for each condition, and it makes learning even more simpler.
So I just finished all that I had to do in the morning, and it's quite sunny here. So I thought I'll walk around and show you how my surroundings.
So this is my estate, and Coorg Coffee Estate is like a mixed farming. You can find coffee plants, you can find pepper, arecanut, cardamom, orange, bananas. You can literally find everything in a Coorg estate. See, even coconuts. Seeing these blue skies in a rainy season day is like a luxury in Coorg, I bet. Anyway, I went to see this nearby. After which I just came back, went on to the terrace of a line, and then I just love viewing this scene from the terrace there. So I just climbed and saw this. Okay, now it's drizzling again. This is our pond. And this is one more area from where I like to view. So I went there, I viewed. When it is sunny, you can see the reflection of clouds in this water, and it is such a treat to the eyes actually. This is on the way of coming back to my home. And then I had my lunch, and then my fruit bowl. I went to study off-tal. I started with the chapter Konya, and Konya is really a big chapter compared to all the initial chapters, and there is a lot to read, a lot to remember, but off-tal is very easier compared to ENT and community for that matter. I kept on reading. I took 2 to 3 small breaks in between. I usually take break once in half an hour, a small 5-minute break, and just I'll come back. I tried reading. I finished like 3/4 of the chapter. And then I went to do my favorite thing, that is to bake cakes. It's a normal light chocolate cake with some chocolate chips. You can always add your favorite cookie pieces to your cake. It will just make it even more tasty. You can add hide and seek, Oreo, whichever your favorite cookie is. And then I got back to my regular business, video editing. I just happen to shoot a lot of videos these days, and editing takes quite some time. And videos like vlogs like today's takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to shoot, a lot of time to edit, to bring all the things together. So if you're watching this, it would be great of you if you just hit that like button, share and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And then I went and started drawing lines to the page. I just keep my pages ready beforehand so that I don't have to panic before exams. And at around 6, because it was not raining still, I just thought of taking a walk around. So this place is backyards. It is amidst the estate and it is full of greenery, and because it was drizzling some time back, the aroma of mud is just amazing. It's green throughout the road. It gets kind of too muddy during rainy season, so when it's raining I can't usually take a walk over here. It's like 1 to 2 kilometers on a whole, up and down. After which I did some sky gazing. I usually do this. And I came back, I freshened up, and then I started watching Murder Mystery. I happen to be a big fan of Jennifer Aniston and I'm binge watching all her movies now. And then I went to have my dinner. It consisted of chicken curry and chapatis. And then I went out to gaze the moon. This is how my day went by. It was good. I hope yours was amazing too. Do let me know in the comment section if you want more vlogs like this. So until next time, bye bye, good night.